Hello guys, welcome back, and in today's video we're gonna be doing a speed build of the toddler's kindergarten onesie again. I know I did post a while ago that I was gonna start a college series, but I still need to build the dorm and stuff again because I reset my world, so yeah. I am gonna be doing speed builds more often because I'm trying to make like a whole city for my Toca characters. So yeah, without using the like actual already made locations. Also, do you guys like Animal Crossing music better? Like this one I'm playing right now, or regular music? Don't mind how long it took me to make this poster, I just wanted it to be perfect. Also, do you guys like speed builds where I talk more or talk less? All credits for this build go to me, and yeah, only me. Also, I know it's late in the video to say this, but don't mind my voice because I don't have a mic, so it's really low. Please don't mind how the poster says welcome instead of welcome. Just don't mind it. Here's the final results.